How much should you charge for life coaching? Well, the good news is that you can charge as little or as much as you want, since it's your own coaching business and the coaching world is unregulated right now. But I'm sure you would probably like some numbers to kind of get an idea of what other coaches are charging in this industry. So usually a new life coach will charge anywhere from 50 to 100 US per session, and then the average life coach charges around 150 US per session, and then a coach that has International Coaching Federation credentials, so ACC, PCC, MCC, and has years of experience under them and has results and testimonials. They're going to probably charge anywhere up from $300 to $100 per coaching session. And usually most coaching sessions are about 60 minutes in length. And also I always recommend, don't really sell individual coaching sessions. This isn't going to really change anyone's life. I would recommend selling a coaching package. So that could be anywhere from like 3 to 6 months or longer. And then selling anywhere from like 2 sessions a month up to 4 sessions a month within that package. So just to give you a quick example of what I sell in my business. So I've been coaching for 5 years. I have my PCC credential, professional certified coach. I do 6-month packages, and then I do 3 90-minute sessions per month. So a total of 18 sessions. And then I also offer spot coaching in between as well on the Voxer app. Sorry for all the background noise. I am outside walking. And so I charge $7,000 US, pay in full for that, or $11.99 per month for 6 months. So I hope that answers your question. And let me know in the comments below what other type of questions are coming up for you in terms of becoming a life coach and starting an online coaching business. I'd be happy to answer them in future videos. All right, bye everyone.